Welcome to the Module 5 of Microsoft Word application. In this module, we are going to look at how to convert files safely to PDFs and also how to convert PDF files to Word format. These are the two aspects we are going to look at in this module. Very interesting and important. How do we convert files to PDFs in Microsoft Word, and how do we convert PDFs to Word format? After creating your document in Microsoft Word, you want it in the PDF format. How do we convert that? It's very easy after watching this module. You have a PDF, you want it in a Word format to do some editing. How do we convert it using Microsoft Word? It's very easy after watching this module. So I'll first start with how to convert files to PDFs. So I'll generate some text here so that I can convert it to PDF. So I'll run this command. I'll hit enter and I have a created document of 2 pages. So let's assume this is the document that I've created and I want this document in a PDF format. Where do I then move from here? So I'll go to the File tab. Before the ribbon, before the Home tab of the ribbon, I have what we call the File tab. So I'll click on it and I'll get this interface or this section. As you can see to the left, I have these instructional features here. So I'll look for export. I have export here. So I'll click on it and I'll have this section again. And as you can see, I already have this selected, create PDF/XPX document. So I'll come here and I'll click on create PDF/XPX. So I'll click on it and wait for Word to direct me to my file explorer to select the particular folder I want this PDF to be saved. So I'm going to save this PDF in my desktop. So I have my desktop selected. So the file name, if I want to name this PDF, I want to name it BB. And after it is the save as type. Okay, as you can see, PDF, meaning my conversion is successful. What I'll then move from here is I'll click on publish for my PDF to be successfully converted, or for my file to be successfully converted to PDF. So I'll click on publish. And as you can see, my file is successfully converted to PDF format. So I have that my Word document converted to this PDF that you are currently seeing. So this is my Word document. And this is the PDF. So meaning I have my successful or safely file converted to PDF. So this is how we convert files safely to PDFs in Microsoft Word. You are applying for a job and you are creating your CV. So after creating the CV, you want to submit this CV in a PDF format. You can follow the same procedure to get your CV in PDF format. So take note of that, which I believe at this juncture you can create or you can convert files safely to PDFs. So the next thing we'll look at is converting PDFs to Word format. Let's assume after converting this particular document to PDF, I've forgotten to save it in Word format, and I go through my PDF format and I have some changes to be made. Maybe there's a particular thing that I'm supposed to add or subtract, and PDF doesn't permit editing. PDFs, you can only highlight in PDFs, but you can't edit, you can't add or subtract from your document. You can only highlight. So I have to convert, before I can do any editing, I have to convert this PDF to my Word document so that I'll be able to add and subtract. So how do I do that? Very simple. So I'm going to convert this particular document back to Word. Or you have a PDF that you want in a Word document so that you can do some editings. You can equally do that without an AI assistant. A situation where you have to connect to internet, you upload that PDF for AI or for a particular software to convert it to Word format for you. If you have your Microsoft Word installed, worry not, this can be done very quickly and easy. So I'll go back to my Word and I'll delete this. Okay. So now I want to convert that PDF to my Word format. Where do I move from here? I'll go to the Insert tab of the ribbon. And under the Insert tab of the ribbon, I'll go to the Text group. And I have this tool called Object. So I'll click on it and I'll have this drop down. The first one Object and the second one Text from File. So I'll choose Text from File and it will direct me to my File Explorer where I can choose the particular PDF I want to convert. And as you can see, the recently Word format converted to PDF is here, BB. As you can remember, that was the name I used to save it. So BB. So I'm going to convert this BB PDF back to my Word document. I will select it and I'll come to click on Insert. After clicking on Insert, I'll wait for Microsoft Word to convert it. And when you click on Insert, you'll get this prompt from Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word will ask you whether you are ready to convert your PDF to an editable Word document. So I'll say OK. So if you click on OK, meaning you are accepting your PDF to be converted to an editable Word document. So I'll click on OK and wait for Microsoft Word to do the conversion. As you can see, I have my PDF successfully converted to the Word format. So this is how we convert PDFs to Word format. So if you have a particular PDF that you want to do some editing, worry not. With the same procedures, you can get it done without any cost of data bundle. Don't forget, this is done offline. As you can see, my device is not connected to internet. So let me try other PDFs so that you will see. I'll come to my object, click Text from File. I want to pick different PDFs to be converted. Okay, so I have one of the PDFs here, Training Outline. I want to convert this training outline. Maybe there's something that I'm supposed to add to this training outline that I forget to put. So I want to add it, but I don't have the Word format. So I have to convert this training outline back to Word format so that I can add that particular thing or subtract that particular thing I want to remove. So I'll select training outline and I'll click on insert. And as usual, Word will ask you whether you are ready for your PDF to be converted to an editable Word document. So I'll click on OK and wait for Microsoft Word to convert it. And as you can see, I have my training outline successfully converted to PDF. Okay, so this is the outline. So because my first conversion, I didn't delete that part, that's why it is joined. Okay, as you can see, the second conversion is being combined to the. So if I want this on a different page, let me do that. Okay, I've deleted everything. So I'll come back, S from file, I'll pick training outline, insert, and I'll pick OK. And as you can see, I have my successful training outline PDF converted to Word format. So if I want to add anything, I can do that. If I want to subtract anything, I can do that. So it's very, very easy and very, very interesting. If you have from today, if you have any PDF that you want to convert to Word document, worry not, or don't be bothering yourself looking for data bundle to upload that particular PDF to a certain AI or a browser so that your PDF will be converted to Word format. With the help of your Microsoft Word installed, you can equally do that on no cost of data bundle. So this is how we convert files safely to PDFs and also convert PDFs files to Word format. Very, very important and very, very interesting. Mostly, I stated that when you are creating your CVs, mostly we submit CVs in a PDF format. We submit CVs in a PDF format. So after creating your CV and you want in a PDF format, you follow the same procedure to get it done. And maybe after converting that particular PDF, that particular CV to the PDF, and maybe you happen to omit something or there's something that you've added that's not necessary, and maybe you forget to save it as Word format in addition to the PDF, you can equally or you can simply go and convert that particular PDF format back to Word format for you to add whatever addition or whatever subtraction that you want to do in your CV. So viewers, this is how we convert files safely to PDFs and also convert PDF files to Word format. And this is the end of Module 5. Thank you for watching. See you in our next module.